My name is Hannah and I'm going to show you how to create a clinical note in the electronic patient record. So we have a video on workflow end pages, but I'm going to show you how to create a clinical note from the workflow. So the best practice is to use your workflow as it pulls through the most up-to-date information into your clinical note. Also, doing it from the workflow is a quicker way to ensure that you have the correct note type, which is important when searching historical documents. So I have opened my patient's record up from my doctor's work list, which will ensure that I'm in the correct encounter. So for this patient, I'm going to complete an admission clerking note. So I've worked through the sections within the admission workflow, and I have started to input the information for my patient, so I can then pull that through into my admission clerking note. I have updated any mandatory fields. So here you've got a green tick. So my target oxygen saturation needs to be inputted. So I have completed that for my patient. Before creating the note though, I would like to bring your attention to the shared clinical summary field. So documenting within the shared clinical summary pulls through to all workflow end pages, and this will remain even if a clinical note has already been created. So if you find that the information within the shared clinical summary is not applicable for the note type that you are about to create, then you can remove this information. So down at the bottom of my admission workflow, I'm going to select my admission clerking note. So as you can see, it's now pulled through the information within my admission workflow. If you have sections that have no information inputted and you do not feel that you need to input information for this patient and for this note that you are creating, you can remove that section by selecting the cross, and then it will take it out of the note for you. If you wish to input some further information within the document once it has been opened, you can select this little arrow at the section. So for this patient, I'm going to add some more information into the information and advice given. I select the arrow here, and then it opens up a free text box for me to input some information. And then once I've inputted the information and I've reviewed my admission clerking note, I need to ensure that I always sign and submit. I select sign and submit, and here it is pulled through the document type that I needed, and it knows the author, and then I just select sign. You will then be able to view this document under documents within your workflow end pages. But I need to ensure that I refresh my patient's record. You can then see that my admission clerking note has been created. Thank you.